So I want to talk about how we got the hot tub here. So luckily for us, we had this perfect space on the side of our house, and so it was just really a case of getting it from the curbside, because it is curbside delivery, and you can see the road out there, from the street to here. It's probably, I don't know, 50 feet, not very far. We have this side gate, we measured that, there was plenty of room. The hot tub itself is 34 inches high, and all of the hot tubs are delivered on their side. That's great, because it means as long as you get at least 34 inches, you're going to be able to get it through, no problem. So the truck pulled up outside. They actually pulled up in front of the house, so I hopped out quickly and asked them, hey, can you move to the side gate, which they did, and then I offered them a tip, some cash, and they brought it all the way in. Otherwise, we'd have had to have done that ourselves. We'd prepared for that by buying a couple of furniture dollies, but in fact, because the guys were willing to do it, and they had their own dolly, we just let them do it. It was 5 minutes from the truck to here, and then all we had to do was unwrap it. The cover does come separately in a box. It's currently folded in half there. So this grey side is actually what you see. That's the inside, so you don't normally see that. It's just a standard brown vinyl cover. So one more thing about getting this situated. We'd identified this patio. It's fairly flat, but it's not completely flat. So you'll see we put some gravel under there. Went to Home Depot, bought 20 bags of gravel, laid it out here, measured it out, laid all the gravel, used a bubble level to get the gravel flat, and that evened out. It did two things, because we wanted to make sure that the tub itself was flat and not on a slope, because then the water would be on a slope. But we also wanted to make sure that the tub was on, solid, flat surface, and that none of the stones, which, the stones are kind of uneven, we wanted to make sure that the surface was flat so it wouldn't damage the tub in any way. The gravel bags I think were about $5 each. We needed 20 or so of them, and then we paid for delivery. So it was, I think, about $200 all in to get the gravel here and delivered. I'm sure I could have done it more cheaply, but actually getting them delivered by Home Depot in bags was really convenient, because then it was much easier to carry them that was also a curbside delivery. It was easy to get them from curbside to here. Another way to have done this would have been to get someone in to lay some concrete, but we thought, rather than make it, have all the expense of laying a new concrete patio, we just used the one that was here, and it just means if we ever leave this house, we can take the hot tub with us, and we can, move the gravel, and then it's back to the patio that was there originally. Oh, one thing I want to mention, the tub is fully assembled, so there's nothing you need to do when it gets here. You literally just need to put it in the location you want and take all the wrapping off it. It comes wrapped in thick plastic and some cardboard, and takes about 10 minutes to get it unwrapped. So that's it. It was really easy. We're delighted with it. It's a great size for us. It's not yet filled with water, because we need to get the electrics done. That's coming next.